Hello everyone, our project is an R&D project and its title is Stress Detection from Facial Expressions and Breathing Patterns using Deep Learning. I'm Madhuri Muppa of roll number 538 and my teammates are 501 Sasrija, 506 Janvita, 560 Amrita. Our batch is batch A1 and our internal guide is T. Swapna ma'am. These days, stress has been a major problem for any age group of people. Irrespective of the age, everyone are experiencing stress in a different way. One of the major reasons for stress is non-stop technological development, and by survey it was observed that almost 70% of the people are experiencing stress. This stress is leading to many health problems, especially people are facing mental problems and challenges. So it is important to monitor stress in real time and treat it properly. Unfortunately, an automatic and accurate early stress detection method does not exist in real time, so we thought of detecting stress by recognizing the facial expressions and the breathing patterns of the person. The main expressions which are recognizable as stress are anger, fear, disgust, and sadness. These are some of the existing methods like heart rate sensors, voice stress analysis, ECG, etc. Our main objectives are identifying the person through face recognition, classifying facial expression of the identified person, classifying facial patterns of the identified person, applying skill to tracking on the person, finding breathing patterns through real-sense depth camera, determining stress levels based on the collected data. This is the environment setup and architecture of our project, which is through real sense camera we will find the breathing patterns, and through web camera we will find the facial expressions and patterns and combine them and pre-process the data and predict whether they are stressed or not. These are some of the important packages used in our face recognition and facial expression. For facial recognition part, we use the deep face library, which is a deep learning facial recognition system created by a research group at Facebook. It identifies human faces in digital images. This is the deep face execution. As you can see, the face is recognized and also the emotion. In the next part, that is the facial cues part, we will find the distance between eyebrows and lips, and some computations are made on the distance value to find the stress value. And we classify a person with stress value more than 65% as a stressed and the others as not stressed. This is the execution for the second part, which is the detection of facial cues. And as you can see, the stress value is displayed on the screen, and the expression such as happy, sad, neutral is being calculated on the screen too. The last part of the project is finding breathing patterns through depth sense camera. Along with the facial expressions, we're also using their breathing patterns to determine their stress levels. The depth sensing technique obtains information of the distance between a target object and a sensor, which is the camera, via infrared structured light returned from the object. It is a contactless stress detection, and it uses only the thoracic joint distance that is obtained by skill to tracking function to find the distance between the camera and the object. Respiration rate is calculated from the breathing patterns. This is the execution of the third part for the breathing patterns, where we execute the interlayer sense depth camera. As you can see, the skeleton tracking is being displayed on the screen. The data points are then collected.
So after storing values into CSV file, we upload into the Navy-based algorithm code, and then we predict new input, and also we upload these two CSV files into this Python code to tell the respiratory rate of a person, to tell whether a person is stressed or not stressed.